In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for files in Google Drive that are not owned by you. These could be files others have shared with you, and knowing how to find them quickly can be a huge time saver, especially when you need to access a document, spreadsheet, or presentation that isn't stored directly in your personal folders. To start, we'll open Google Drive in your favorite web browser. Once you've logged in, you'll notice a search bar at the very top of your window. This bar is your starting point for finding not just specific files, but any documents you've worked on or have been shared with you over time. Now, rather than typing a basic search term into this bar, we're going to click on the little funnel icon, also known as the Advanced Search or Search Options icon. Clicking on this opens up a drop-down menu where you can refine your search with more precision. When the drop-down menu opens, you'll see several different filters you can apply to your search. Since our goal today is to find files you don't own, you'll want to focus on the filter labeled Owner. In this section, select the option that says Not Owned by Me. This ensures that Google Drive will only display those files shared with you by someone else, not the ones you created yourself. But you have even more options to narrow down your search. Maybe you're looking for a specific file type or a document updated within a certain time frame. You can use the Type filter to specify whether you want a document, a spreadsheet, or any other particular file type. Likewise, the Date Modified filter allows you to confine your search to files updated in the last 30 days, this year, or a custom range. If you know the location where these files might be living, such as My Drive or Shared with Me, go ahead and set that in the Location filter. Each of these settings helps you hone in precisely on what you're looking for without having to wade through everything all at once. Once you've set your desired parameters, all you need to do is click Search, or simply hit Enter on your keyboard. In moments, Google Drive will populate a list for you, filled with results that match your criteria. These are all files accessible to you, but owned by others. Now, if you're someone who prefers working with search operators, there's an alternate way to achieve the same results directly from that search bar without accessing the drop-down menu. Simply type in Owner Me, press Enter, and voila! You're presented with items owned by others in your network that you can access. So, that's how you can easily refine your Google Drive search to locate files not owned by you. With these techniques, managing shared documents becomes noticeably more efficient, giving you more control and ease in navigating through your various projects and collaborations. Happy organizing, and thanks for watching.